Hello guys, I'm the product manager of Isarc Tools. Today, I would like to share with you the story about one of our most important products, which is our Arc Edge Oscillating Multi-Tool Blades series. We observed that the traditional straight-line multi-tool blades struggle with smooth cutting due to the lack of sufficient cutting angles when cutting wood. And the blade will shake uncontrollably before the teeth cut into the material, so it cannot be cut accurately and smoothly. Additionally, the less than ideal chip removal from the tooth design often leads to burnt wood. In response to these problems, we tried to find blades from the market that could solve these problems. Oh well, they look pretty good, but the prices are just too high to be acceptable. These issues that troubling our users became the driving force for us to take action. To address these problems, our engineering team spent 7 months researching and conducting repeated tests, ultimately launching this revolutionary multi-blade. In woodworking cutting applications, it provides an incredibly clean and smooth cutting experience, so how do we achieve it? Innovatively, we have adopted an arc edge design. During the oscillation process, the angle provided by the curved teeth design precisely positions the cutting point for a more efficient and accurate cutting experience. Notably, the arc edge design also helps minimize blade vibration during use and enhances the stability of the blade's left and right amplitude during the cutting process. Building on this design, and thanks to precision craftsmanship, the combination of the arc design and the unique smooth cutting advantage of Japanese teeth results in smoother, more efficient cutting in woodworking. In addition to our standard length blades, we also offer extra long blade. These extra long blades allow for deeper and farther cuts, making them ideal for getting into tight spaces, narrow corners, or other difficult-to-reach areas. With an extended cutting length of 2 11/16 inches, there's also a change in the swing angle, boosting the overall cutting efficiency by an impressive 30%. This makes them perfect for those tough jobs. When we sold our Arc Edge series on Amazon, it received high praise and recognition from professional users. Users can experience 10 pieces of extra long arc edge multi-tool blades at an affordable price, including 5 pieces of Japanese teeth and 5 pieces of bimetal teeth. Now users can enjoy the joyful experience of Arc Edge series multi-tool blades in woodworking cutting applications. For this series of blades, we currently have 4 types for you to choose from, and we will continue to develop different types of this series blades. You can also go to our official website and choose the right blade that meets your needs. Also, let me tell you that we are a professional company focusing on the development of power tool accessories. We focus on the changing application needs of dedicated users and provide the best solutions to improve the efficiency of their work projects. That's the story I'm sharing today. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.